Alright, so here's the gas one. I already had to either use them or took them off earlier. The fittings on top. It's got the T&P valve here. I'll twist that off. And what you gotta do is you gotta get under here and loosen all these up. Got your pilot line, your supply line, and your thermocouple here. So this does have mercury in it. You don't want to be messing with it too much. Look at this one, not up here. This one, the copper line. I know it looks like you want to just throw it in with your copper, but it's got mercury in it. It's bad for the fishes. Ultimately bad for us. So, and this is aluminum. If you don't want to keep it, you can scrap it. So I'll work on getting that out. Again, get your channel locks. Pipe wrench is a little bit easier. You get on there, talk sweet to it, and she'll come right off. This I don't need, that's garbage. And there you go. I'll go into my hoard and get cleaned up later. You guys want to see my little package of hoard I got over here, don't you? I'll show you in a little bit. So then we move on down. Maybe just take this guy right off of here. Sorry for the shakiness. Let's see if I can't set her up for you, huh? How about that? That is perfect. So you can use wrenches on these if you want, but I just use my adjustable just because it's not going to go back on anywhere. You don't have to worry about stripping it. It doesn't take much to get them going. There's a Pilot Supply. Pilot Supply, that's you're down here. Pilot Supply, that's aluminum. The main burner supply is not aluminum. It is steel. It is not something you want to put in your hoard, or put it in your steel scrap hoard. Like I say, I only keep aluminum, brass, and stainless steel, or gold. You know, if I come in gold, I'll keep that. That's always a good find. There's piles of it in your cell phone. You just want to tear apart your cell phones. Oh my. Piles of it. You get rich on one cell phone. No, you won't. Well, there, that's all unhooked. That's metal, that's no good. You see, you can get this whole burner assembly out. There you go. If it's in good shape, you can keep it, sell it, use it for parts. I got plenty of them, so I'm just going to take off the brass and the aluminum and toss the rest. And then you just, I don't know how much of that you saw, but now for this bad boy, this just twists right off. Channel locks, put it on the biggest one you got. Hopefully you can bite it. Hopefully you can see this. And if we get it going the right way. This one is grab on the top there. Maybe. Grab on the side then. No. This is an awkward one. You know what? Oh, I ain't leaving it on here. There we go. Talk nice to it, remember. Actually, I broke this one. That's okay. This is what you want anyhow, is the aluminum. Yeah, this guy's not coming. Anyways, there's copper in there. As far as I know, it's copper. But if you can't get it out, you can't get it out. What are you gonna do? Alright, so I'll show you into my little treasure chest I got here. And I just save all that up for the winter time when I can work when I got time, which isn't very often. So usually I just get totes and totes of this stuff laying around waiting for me to clean it up, which I gotta do soon because the prices are good. But I got all my aluminum, stainless steel, brass, copper, all that in there. I gotta take the copper out of the motors and stuff. So clean it up. The cleaner, you know, if you just got all brass or all aluminum, you get top dollar for it. If it's mixed in with other stuff, you're gonna get bottom dollar for it. So let's see. I got, looks like 3 more water heaters and 2 more dishwashers to do, because one stainless steel, I just keep those aside for a rainy day. These I'll strip and get out of my shop. So tomorrow we will load up the water softeners, or the water heaters, focus, and take them in and see how much money we get. So we'll see you tomorrow. I'm not responsible for any lost fingers or anything that blows up. Not responsible for anything that you do, because if you're dumb enough to do it, it's your own fault. Oh, thanks for hanging with me today. Usually I don't have this many people hanging with me, so